Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of 904 Fishing. I'm your host Alex. Today we are back out at the Hidden Lake. I'm going to be tossing out the deeper in a second. We're going to be throwing some stuff out there. I want to see what the water temperature is and see if there's any fish out there. We've got some live shiners with us today from Steve's Tackle Box. Nick is out with me. I'm going to throw out 3 float rigs and 1 bottom rig and try to hook up into a big chain pickerel. I was so excited about the last one that I caught, I forgot to actually weigh it. And so it was a potentially big catch, but now we don't know, so we have to go catch it again, or bass, or whatever's biting. I keep seeing some stuff bust behind me. We've got a great heron, we've got a hawk, we've got a bunch of dead fish on the water, so I'm thinking that it's gonna be a good day. Let's get out there and get fishing. Yeah, frogs are looking good this time of year. All right, we're gonna cast out the deeper real quick. Try to get a reading on the temperature of the water, as well as see if we can find any fish here. Oh yeah, we're gonna have good fishing today. Water 71 degrees. You did, you were close. This is a lot better. Last time we came out here, water was 53 degrees. Yeah. This is, I hear flounders running this time of year. This is looking good. So we got about, so straight out here, it looks like we're looking at about 5 to 6 feet in depth. So for my bobber, for my float rigs, I know that I want to put it about halfway down. So we're gonna look at this, see how deep it is. So right now we're looking at about 7 feet. So I'm probably gonna put my rig at about 4 feet and cast it out there. And I know where it is because that's where the deeper is. And I'm gonna keep reeling it in here, looking at all the stuff. Have marked a little bit of fish. Oh, there's a, what's that? That's not bad. I like that actually. That's a good quality on that. Nice. Marking a little bit of structure there, a little bit of fish it looks like. And it comes up about 4.5 feet, so that's good. I'm also gonna cast off to my left here. See if we can't use that. See what's going on over here instead of just straight out. Alrighty. All right, so right now I'm looking at about 6 foot, 5 foot. So I want to put that float rig at about 2 foot down. Oh yeah, there's some structure right there. That's perfect. That's exactly where I'm going to throw one of my float rigs at about 2 foot down. That's for sure. There's got to be some stuff lurking in there. Bass, chain pickerel, something. That's perfect. So now I know exactly where that's at. Let's get rigged up and cast out there. So here's my hook. That's what I'm going to be using. There's my bobber. It's a weighted bobber. So I'm going to slide that about 2 feet up. And we'll get our fish, our little minnow, hook them through the nose. Let's go in through the mouth and right out the nostril. There you go, just like that. So that gives him a lot of free range of motion. I'll fix our bobber real quick. There we are. Yeah, it's about 2 feet. I don't know, we're not being really exact with it, but we're gonna cast it out right where I saw that structure and hope for a bite. You got one? On a frog? Top water?
All right, so you hit it.
What happened, Nick?
All right.
Show us what you're throwing, show us what you're throwing.
A little bit rusty here with top water, but we got this frog right here. Don't know what brand it is, from Academy.
H2O Express?
It might be that. So I cast it right over there. There's a dead flop here and a little bit of
vegetation.
Some vegetation over there. And then let it hit. And then let's see if I can get about right where it was. Kind of drag it through that a little bit. And I had something go for it, but it's been a while. I didn't really know how to do the hook set. But we're going to figure that out again. It's been a hot minute.
Yeah, you want it to blow up on it and then you want to wait a second and then set the hook.
I think that's what I did, but I didn't reel down enough. So I could have just kind of yanked it out of his mouth, which I'm kind of doing, some like little reel down twist or twitch, reel down flick, reel down, or just kind of like steady going across, see if the legs move and everything. Or make like it's kicking too, and make it look like that. That one, I'm kind of like looking to the right as if it's on bobby, but I thought it was not a bird nest, a bait caster.
got? All right, so Nick just caught this bass. So pretty good one, I'd say, on topwater, right, Nick?
Oh yeah, topwater plug. I got the got my rod somewhere. I set it down, but yeah, nice. Kind of has some green colors in it too, and orange. Nice bass. Literally,
It's very dark.
Yeah, but before I caught it, I was thinking, how cool would it be? Like, what if I caught a big old bass that was almost possibly a state record, and this time we actually, you know, weighed in. You got.
That looks like a big one. Yeah, let's weigh it, man. Yeah. Oh yeah, 4.4. That's a good one.
That's not bad.
Not bad at all, man.
All right, let's get this clean release. Remember the old videos? You get that firm arm placement. Let him go, and let the big bad boy swim off. He'll do it. He's about it. He'll go. There he goes underneath that branch. Nice. Well, maybe it's too big.
Yeah, he's gone.
All right.
Ooh, buddy.
That's a good one.
Damn, I haven't caught anything. I'm using shiners. I was caught on a topwater plug.
And the thing is, I was just kind of like, you know, splash, splash, let it sit, splash, 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 doing like a little bit more aggressive splash in there. But I guess that works, because I was trying different ways and I wasn't really having any luck. I saw a big old topwater hit over there, so I decided to go for it. Totally forgot about my other line over there with the bobber, but nothing's going for anything out here, so I didn't really have too much of a worry. Thank you. Appreciate that.
So this is a popper that Nick was using there. It's an H2O Express brand.
Courtesy of Academy Sports and Outdoors. Another pop.
Ooh, another explosion out there, but doesn't focus, whatever. Hang on. There you go. You guys need to be careful when you're out here. Ooh, what the fuck? Something just ate him. Did I get that? Yeah, I did. I got that. Something just ate that snake. Excuse me? Did you? He's gone. Like, he's gone.
I watched it because it took it in the middle.
Yeah.
Well, shit.
What?
Wow.
What?
Interesting.
That just happened.
I think because I messed with it.
That just fucking happened. So Nick and I are out here fishing at the hidden lake, and we see like this snake. Like, we're fishing next to each other and we see the snake, and I'm like freaking out. I'm like, oh fuck, a snake, and it was like really close to us, right? So he grabs a stick and we're like gonna bash it in the head. And so it's coming along, like it was coming along here, and then like it got over here, came over here, and then we were about here, and we were about to, he was about to fucking hit the fucker with the stick.
That should let your fucking head made us swim in them.
Exactly. So we're watching the fucking snake, and he goes right there, and out of nowhere, something comes up and just inhales it and goes back. It wasn't like a small snake, it was like 1.5 feet. And something just came up and was like, and fucking left, like fucking spaghetti. All right, so we got this bass. Not a huge one. Nick's bass was bigger, but you know, it's still a fish. My first bass of 2018. So pretty nice. We're gonna let him go, and it's picking up now. So we're gonna do some top water and send out some more shiners. Sick. Nice. All right. Well, the GoPro wasn't on, but I just got a bass. You saw the footage of it.
Editing.